In this video, I will show you how to enable new Start Menu Change and File Explorer update in Windows 11, Dev version. Download vivetool and install in C Drive System 32 folder. Download link below in description. Type CMD and run as administrator. Copy the text key one by one and paste the text key, then press enter. See the features added successfully. Restart your computer. See new Smart Suggestions in Snap Layouts, new Share menu in File Explorer, new Start Menu app labeling on Start Menu added successfully and working well. That's it, enjoy. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed video, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.